Hi members, let us see how can we use phones to create pivot table in Excel. So if you have an app like this Excel app in your phone, and you can check here, if you go to that app and you open, you can see that this is the pivot practice we want to create pivot table for. We try to select this work. Let us try to select this work. Try to select this work. Entire work. We select the entire work. So if you come here to tabs and we click on, then we want insert tab, we are expecting to see inside tabs there insert. We expect to see what we call maybe pivot table as options, but when you click there, you can see here you cannot see pivot table under the command C. You can see tables, what, that picture. That is for Excel app. So we can close this. Let us try to close this. This time around, let us use a different option. We go to Play Store. We can download what we call WPS because it acts as an Excel app. So let us see whether this one WPS Office. Let us install this one and we try to see. So let us wait for it to download and install into our phone. As you saw in Excel, it doesn't have that option, so it means that you need to improvise and you maybe download this app, because this app has some has same features like Excel app, and when you have this app, it means you can do things with PDF, you can do things in Word, you can do things in Excel, you can do things in PowerPoint. I can do things in even other application softwares. So this app is also good. It is there for you. When you install it, we are waiting for it to be there to maybe to open. So, and we see how we use it, and so that we can come up with a pivot table. Let us see. Let us wait. It's still installing. I would like to see it open, but still installing. This one doesn't mean that you this app you cannot use this one. You can use both. When you use this one, you save and you can incorporate this one. So there are some features whereby you're gonna find the Excel app and you cannot access them in this WPS, but if you know one, it means you can incorporate with this one. So you need to combine them and you come up with what you want, or you can decide to use WPS generally. So it has come. Now I can open this and I log in with my Google and I will sign in with this one. Yes, I want to give it access so that it has finished. So now I go to my work, which I want to maybe put in what. So this is, let me look for the practice for pivot table. I open, yes, this is the pivot table practice. Let us open, but this time around we are gonna use WPS to open this. So we allow this to take control. So just brought, this is the work. So let us try to select this work, entire work. We will try to select the entire work. using phone. So let me try to select the entire work. This is the work. I think it is not selected. No, not all. We will need to extend, yes, until here, up to here. So from there, when you confirm your work is selected, you can see, make sure you just hold where you selected on your phone. It will bring this option. So select on edit. When you see this word edit, it will bring this icon here. This icon, click on it to access tabs. These are tabs you're going to access. So from here you can see home tab, view tab. I go to insert tab. Insert tab is there. Go down here, you will see the option called pivot table. Click on pivot table. From there, you click done. This work is now in pivot table. This is they've just created pivot table for you. It's upon us to add fields. Yes, to add fields. Here, if you want to add fields horizontally, that is running horizontally, click there, and you because you've selected the worker, it will gonna pick the headings, column headings. So because we want to see methods running horizontally, this is the methods. Here, if you want to see something running vertically, maybe from down to bottom, you click there. So you click on candidate name. You want to see candidate name running from top to down. Here we want to see calculation. So it was about we are calculating salary. So you click on calculation salary. After this, after confirming after section of your fields, then click on export. It will be there. When you click on export, you will see your work will be in a table format, and it's just been converted. This is now a pivot table. Now click, if you want to call your worker to be in maybe you want to create even a chart from this work, just select this work. Make sure you select the entire work. Maybe let me reselect it, because selection is more better to give me some update for me. So I can select this work. I go to edit. I access this tab. I want to access the tab. Then I click there. Then I go where there is a chart. I look for chart here. This is the chart. But according to the work they gave us, they wanted clustered chart, not clustered. I think stacked chart. Stacked chart. Let us choose this one. This is the stacked one. Then click OK. You'll see that the chart will come to your work. Just bring it from here. Here you can add some element. You can remove some element. I think this is the chart they wanted. Maybe you can just use this chart. You can click on it to get more options, and maybe you change accordingly. But this is how we can create a pivot table, and in using a phone. You use WPS, then you go access tabs here. From there you go to insert. Always you're gonna find this option of pivot table. It is there in WPS, which is not the case for the Excel. This app doesn't give you that access, so you only get it in the WPS, and you can use WPS to do over almost everything you want for concerning with Excel. So thanks for that. You can see we also creating a pivot table because WPS, unlike Excel app. WPS when you I told you, when you select your work, just hold ojakulaba option editing. You go to editing, then jafuna ka icon one, then click on this icon in. Click there ojafuna tabs, jakuwa access to tabs. Wonagenda mu insert tab ojafuna kyebayita pivot option. What option there ejakuba ya. So because you selected your work, once wajja kulaga nti you've selected this work, just you confirm it, yes, that is the work I selected. Wano tugambye waggulu wano to addingawo singa in case olina field gy'oyagala running horizontally, yes, from left to right, just click the heading. Kati wano njagala running from left to right. Singa nina kyenjagala kirunning from bottom, from maybe top to bottom, I click here, I come to this area and I click there, or the head, this one, the heading will come and I select. So I will choose this one. Singa nina kyenjagala kibeere calculated, I can come and choose this one. Or if there's something I want it there, even if it's not calculated, I just select it. For now I want to salary okubanga jebaba calculating there, I select that salary because enegenda headings one wagenda for calculation. Once you finish that one, that is already a pivot table. You can select it. You can select it, or you can, I think you can select it, or you can just export to complete the procedure. So this is what we can create a pivot table in using our mobile phones. Don't say it is impossible. You just export and you get this table. From there, I think you can do most of the things on this because now everything is okay. However much you have some limitation, you can limitation like a slicer, what pivot tab okubanga added here. You have some limitation, but doesn't mean you can't create you can't create generally to creating a pivot table on mobile phone. No, you can create something, but however much you have some limitation, but you can do something guys. You still can do something. You can see now we have created the pivot table, we have created even the pivot chart. You can just double click here to put heading, anything. You can use it and you do your maybe your party something there. But however much you have some limitation about the tabs and the other commands like a slicer, timeline, how to change layout, style, table style, and what others. Some limitation are there. However, if you give them, you can find out even others and you can use it. So that is what I want to tell you about how to create pivot table using mobile phone. Thanks for